Hey guys, today I'm having some Bob's Red Mill organic old fashioned rolled oats oatmeal. Show you guys I eat healthy once in a while. These things are awesome. This is just oatmeal. I didn't put anything in it. Really good, other than just boiled water, a little bit of salt. That's it. My sister makes these and her husband, but they doctor them up with all kinds of stuff: brown sugar, uh, bananas, blueberries, you name it. But I think this stuff is amazing just as is. I'm not really a big oatmeal fan. Rather be eating a cheesesteak right now, but kind of balance things out a little bit. A little bit of oatmeal. That's it. Next video will probably be a cheesesteak.